Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, this is Hemlata and welcome to Class 6 IET Physics class. Children, what we were discussing? We are discussing the chapter Kinematics. Is it not, children? So, in the last class, what we discussed, we completed the topic of velocity. Is it? We completed distance, displacement, difference. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Is it now? Distance means the length of path through which we travel, whereas displacement is the shortest length from initial to final point. Distance scalar, displacement vector. Then we discussed speed and velocity. Then their differences. Is it? In the last class we completed the velocity topic. Okay. And today we are going to discuss acceleration, a new topic. Okay. Acceleration, retardation, uniform, non-uniform acceleration. These are. Okay. So let's start today's topic. Okay. So children, first we will understand what is acceleration, then retardation, what is the difference between them. Okay. So children, just think it, you are going in a market. Okay, you are going, suppose you are going with your father in a bike, okay, in the market. So when you will go in the market, it is not necessary that road is clear. Is it? Sometime crowd will be more, sometime less. Is it? So if crowd is more, your velocity of your bike will decrease according to the crowd. If it is clear, there is no more person, so you can go smoothly, little fast. But if crowd is more, you have to go slow. So velocity increases, decreases. Sometimes you have to change the direction. Sometimes what we are doing, we have to reach soon some place, so we are taking shortcuts, so we are changing our direction. Is it? No, it means what? Overall we are not maintaining our velocity uniform throughout our journey, or our direction also uniform. Is it not clear, children? Clear? Suppose a person, suppose moving with 25 meter per second, means 25 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Understood, no, children? What is 25 meter per second means? 25 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Due east direction. Suppose the person is moving 25 meter per second, okay, in east direction. This is the velocity of the body. Okay, so suppose after sometimes, okay, after covering some distance, suppose crowd is more, so he will be slow. Suppose his speed decreased to 20 meter per second. Okay, so here what happened? Velocity decreased. Is it? Sometimes is going like this, he changed the direction. Okay, or like this, going east now comes to south direction. Comes to south direction. So overall, what is the thing? Whenever we move, okay, it is not necessary we maintain same velocity. Sometimes the magnitude is changing, okay, sometimes the velocity of the body increases, sometimes decreases, sometimes direction changes, sometimes both changes, magnitude also changes, direction also changes. Is it not, children? So whenever the velocity of the body, okay, changes with time, that is called acceleration. Okay, that is called acceleration. That is rate of change of velocity with the time. When the velocity of the body changes with time, then we say this term as acceleration. Clear? So first case, suppose a point, velocity of the body is 25 meter per second. A body is moving due east direction with the velocity of 25 meter per second. After covering some part of the journey, its velocity increased becomes 27 meter per second, increases. Again after covering some part, suppose again it is increased 28 meter per second. So you can see here velocity of the body is changes 25 meter per second, then 27 meter per second, then 28 meter per second. So velocity of the body is changes, okay, for some time, okay, some time interval. Some time interval, velocity of the body changes. Clear? So this is what velocity of the body increases. Here velocity increases with time. As velocity increases with time, this is called acceleration. Okay, so acceleration means what? Rate of change of velocity with time. Whenever velocity of the body is changes with time, that is called acceleration. That is a positive acceleration. Acceleration also, children, two types are there: positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Positive acceleration always regard as a acceleration. Simply when we say acceleration, it means it is a positive acceleration. Whereas negative acceleration is called deceleration. Negative acceleration is called deceleration or retardation. Clear, children? Retardation is nothing but negative acceleration. Okay, so understood? So when that case come, that is a second example, consider. Suppose from A started with 25 meter per second due east body. After covering some part of the journey, the velocity of the body decreased, suppose 23 meter per second. Again after covering some part of the journey, suppose again the velocity of the body decreased, suppose next part of the journey 23 meter per second. Okay, velocity decreased. Suppose after that again velocity decreased 20 meter per second. Okay, due east direction. Okay, you can take east direction. Suppose we can say direction also suppose changed. You are going east, now south. Are you seeing, children? Body started with the velocity 25 meter per second. After covering some part of the journey, its velocity decreased 23 meter per second, although its direction is same, east. Okay, again after covering again some part of the journey, suppose its velocity again, suppose 1 hour, first journey 1 hour, second journey also 1 hour, third journey also 1 hour. After 1 hour again velocity decreased 23 meter per second, direction is same, east. Again after 1 hour again velocity decrease, same direction, east, 20 meter per second. Then after the velocity of the body, okay, is suppose maintaining same 20 meter per second, but direction changed. So here you see the example. In this example, velocity of the body is continuously decreasing with time. So velocity decreases with time. So this is called deceleration or retardation or negative acceleration. Children, I think you are clear now. Acceleration means what? Rate of change of velocity with time. Once again, I want to explain. Any body throughout the journey can't maintain uniform velocity. Either its magnitude increases, decreases. Body can go fast or slow. Sometimes we have to reach our destination soon. So what we are doing? Increasing the velocity of the vehicle. We are going fast. Sometimes our destination is very far. We are maintaining same velocity. Okay. So sometimes we are changing the direction. So magnitude of the velocity either increases or decreases, or direction changes, or magnitude direction both changes. Okay. So rate of change of velocity with time. How the body is changing the velocity with time, that is called acceleration. Okay. Acceleration, two types: positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Whenever a body increases its velocity with time, suppose see 25 meter per second, 27 meter per second, 28 meter per second, body increases its velocity with time, that is called positive acceleration. We never say positive acceleration, simply acceleration means it's a positive acceleration. Okay. Sometimes velocity decreases with time. See 25, then 23, then 20. So when the velocity of the body decreases with the time, that is called deceleration, retardation, or negative acceleration. Clear? All these three are same, either deceleration or retardation or negative acceleration. When the velocity of the body decreases with time. Clear? Now let's go for definition. Before going to that, children, take your notebook, write the today's date, okay, today's date, subject, heading of the chapter, kinematics. Today's topic is what? Acceleration and retardation, and these all things please note down it neatly. So see children, acceleration. Okay, so acceleration, what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. Means how the velocity of a body changes with time. Whether the velocity of the body increases with time or decreases with time. If the velocity of the body increases with time, that is called positive acceleration. If the velocity of a body decreases with time, that is called deceleration, negative acceleration, or retardation. Clear? So let's take. Let a body is moving with initial velocity u. Initial velocity means starting velocity. When the body start moving, let its velocity be u. Okay. And final velocity of the body v. When the body reaches its destination, with what velocity it ends its journey, that final velocity is v. Okay, or if we will consider some particular time interval also, then starting initial velocity u, final velocity v. Okay, change in velocity, change we always calculate final minus initial. So final velocity v minus initial velocity u. Let we have taken the time under consideration t time taken. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. Rate of change of velocity with time means change in velocity by time interval. So acceleration A is equal to change means final minus initial v minus u by t. So this is a formula. Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t, change in velocity by time taken. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. If we will Okay, from this formula only we can derive one more formula. Do the cross multiplication. At is equal to v minus u. V is equal to u. Send u this side. U plus at. So final velocity v is equal to u plus at. This is another formula we derived. Okay, now acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken, that is v minus u by t. From this formula we can derive again final velocity is equal to v is equal to u plus at. Now children, some points, important points. First point is acceleration. Nature is what? Acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration is what? It's a vector quantity. Vector quantity. So we must know about the direction of the body. Okay now. So magnitude we will get it from this formula. A is equal to v minus u by t. But what is the direction of the body? Direction of acceleration. So acceleration direction is the direction in which the body moves. Okay, velocity of the body determines the direction of the body. Body is moving with what velocity in what direction, that is only the direction of acceleration. Clear? Next is symbol. Symbol is equal to a vector. Small a vector. As it is a vector quantity, so up you have to give arrowhead. So it is a vector quantity, a vector. Acceleration never determines direction of motion. We have positive acceleration, negative acceleration. But positive acceleration, negative acceleration not determines the direction of motion. Positive acceleration means velocity when increases with time, that is positive acceleration. And negative acceleration means when the velocity of the body decreases with time, that is a negative acceleration. But positive acceleration, negative acceleration never determines the direction of the motion. What determines the direction of motion? Velocity. Velocity determines the direction of the motion. Okay, body is moving. Whether it increases its velocity with time, okay, its magnitude with time, then what is the direction? Or decreases its speed, its magnitude with time, then what is the direction? Or whether it is changing its direction, continuing same magnitude but changing its direction. So the direction of the body what determines? Velocity, not acceleration. Next we comes to unit. SI unit of acceleration is unit of velocity by unit of time. Because see the formula. Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t, means change in velocity by time. Change in velocity is also velocity only, no? So unit of velocity by unit of time. Velocity unit is what? Meter per second by time second. So meter by second, meter per second by second is meter by second square. So meter per second square. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Whereas CGS unit is what? Centimeter per second square. Clear children? I hope you understood. So please note down this. Neatly you have to write. This is a derivation for the formula for acceleration. Write down, give the heading acceleration. Write the definition. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Then derive this formula. After writing this, write this main points. Over children. So again I am saying, when you are writing the notes from board, pause the video. Pause the video and write down completely from the board, and after completing only you continue the video. Once again I want to tell you children, you must watch the video completely. You just, most of you, what you are doing, you are just to show that you are seeing the video, just you are 2 minutes, 3 minutes you are watching the video and closing that. You are only wasting your time. Okay, again I am saying time is very important factor. You have to utilize it wisely. Okay, you have to watch the video completely 2 to 3 times. Then only you can understand the topics. Not only that, you have to write the notes neatly in the notebook. You have to maintain. Remember, the time will come. You have to come to school, and that time we will ask you the notes. Okay, what your notes maintaining, where you are writing. That time you have to show these all things. Okay, so maintain the notes neatly. Write the notes, maintain the date, time, everything, complete the worksheets. Any doubt is there, you post your doubt, we will explain the things once again. Okay. So today what we discussed? We discussed acceleration and retardation. What is acceleration and retardation? Any body will not maintain its velocity or direction uniformly throughout the journey. Sometimes its velocity of the body will increase with time, sometimes velocity decrease with time, sometimes it changes its direction, sometimes not changes its direction. So, whenever velocity of the body changes with time, that is called acceleration. How the body changes with time? Velocity changes with time. If the velocity of the body increases with time, that is called positive acceleration, and if the velocity of the body decreases with time, that is called negative acceleration. Acceleration never determines the direction of motion. Velocity determines the direction of motion. Got it, children? This is for today. I hope you are getting my class. Thanks for watching.